CVMC, EC, NMMC, Triple E, Unit 3, multiple integrals. Lesson 11. Change of variables. Change of variables. 3 types. Number 1, polar coordinates. Polar coordinates. Double integral. Double integral. Polar coordinates. Double integral. X is equal to r cos theta, y is equal to r sin theta. Dx dy is equal to r dr d theta. X square plus y square is equal to r square. Second one, cylindrical coordinates. Cylindrical coordinates. Triple integrals. Triple integral. X is equal to rho cos phi, y is equal to rho sin phi, z is equal to z. Here dx, dy, dz becomes rho d rho d phi dz. X square plus y square is rho square. Third one, spherical polar coordinates. Spherical polar coordinates. This is also triple integral. This is also triple integral. X is equal to r sin theta cos phi. R sin theta cos phi. Y is equal to r sin theta sin phi. Z is equal to r cos theta. Here dx, dy, dz is equal to r square sin theta dr d theta d phi. X square plus y square plus z square is equal to r square. Problem 26. Evaluate integral 0 to infinity, integral 0 to infinity e power minus of x square plus y square dx dy by changing to polar coordinates. Solution: given I is equal to 0 to infinity e power minus x square plus y square dx dy. These are x limits, these are y limits. X limits are x is equal to 0, comma x tends to infinity. Y limits are y is equal to 0, y tends to infinity. All limits are constants. And also this denotes first quadrant, positive quadrant. 0, x, y. So this is x is equal to 0 to infinity, x 0 to infinity, y 0 to infinity. So positive quadrant. Using polar coordinates, x is equal to r cos theta, y is equal to r sin theta, dx dy is equal to r dr d theta. X square plus y square is equal to r square. So take a strip, elementary strip from origin. Here r is equal to 0, r tends to infinity. To cover the dotted region, move the strip like this. So theta limits 0 to pi by 2. So r limits r is equal to 0, r tends to infinity. Theta limits r, theta is equal to 0, theta is equal to pi by 2. Therefore, above I becomes integral 0 to pi by 2, integral 0 to infinity e power minus r square. X square plus y square is r square. Dx dy is r dr d theta. So first we have to integrate with respect to r. With respect to r. With respect to r. Next we have to integrate with respect to theta. So here put r square is equal to t. To r dr is equal to dt. But we want r dr only. So r dr is 1 by 2 dt. Lower limit change, r is equal to 0 implies t 0 square 0. Upper limit change, r tends to infinity implies t tends to infinity. No change in limits. No change in limits. So integral 0 to pi by 2. Here no change in limits, 0 to infinity, e power minus t 1 by 2 dt d theta. 0 to pi by 2 1 by 2 constant, e power minus t integration minus e power minus t 0 to infinity d theta 1 by 2 integral 0 to pi by 2 0 to pi by 2 e minus e power minus infinity minus e power minus 0 or 0 whatever it may be d theta. So e power minus infinity means 1 by e power infinity 1 by infinity 0. So 0 minus e power 0 1 0 minus 1 1 minus inverse plus. So this is 1 by 2 integral 0 to pi by 2 d theta. 1 by 2 integral d theta is theta 0 to pi by 2. 1 by 2 into pi by 2 minus 0, upper limit minus lower limit. This is equal to pi by 4. Problem 27. Evaluate integral 0 to 1 integral 0 to root over 1 minus y square x square plus y square dx dy by changing to polar coordinates. Solution. Given I is equal to 0 to 1 into 0 to root over 1 minus y square x square plus y square dx dy. These are x limits, these are y limits. X limits are x is equal to 0, x is equal to root of 1 minus y square, squaring on both sides. X square plus y square is equal to 1 is a circle, center 0 0 radius 1, center 0 0 radius 1. Y limits are y is equal to 0, y is equal to 1. Diagram represents circle diagram. In circle diagram, x starts from 0, y starts from 0. So represents positive quadrant or first quadrant. Positive quadrant or first quadrant. Here y starts from 0, x starts from 0. So that represents positive quadrant. You take a strip. Here r is equal to 0, r is equal to radius 1. Theta, to cover the region, theta limits. Theta is equal to 0 to theta is equal to pi by 2. Using polar coordinates, x is equal to r cos theta, y is equal to r sin theta, dx dy is equal to r dr d theta, x square plus y square is equal to r square. R limits are r is equal to 0, r is equal to 1. Theta limits are theta is equal to 0, theta is equal to pi by 2. Theta is equal to pi by 2. Above I becomes integral 0 to pi by 2, integral 0 to 1, x square plus y square is r square, r dr d theta. Integral 0 to pi by 2, r cube integration, r power 4 by 4, 0 to 1 d theta. Integral 0 to pi by 2, upper limit, substitute upper limit, this is r cube integration r power 4 by 4. So substitute upper limit 1 4 4 1 by 4 minus 0. So 1 by 4 d theta. Common 1 by 4. Integral d theta is theta 0 to pi by 2. 1 by 4 into pi by 2 minus 0. So pi by 8. Pi by 8. Problem 28. Evaluate integral 0 to 2 integral 0 to root over 2x minus x square x by x square plus y square dx dy by changing to polar coordinates. Solution I is equal to 0 to 2 integral 0 to root over 2x minus x square x by x square plus y square dx dy. This is not correct order. Here x is there. We have to write first integration with respect to y. So we write this problem in correct order. Next with respect to, first with respect to, next with respect to. So limits, these are x limits. X limits are x equal to 0, x is equal to 2. Y limits are y is equal to 0, y is equal to root over 2x minus x square. Root over 2x minus x square. So x square, so y square is equal to x, 2x minus x square, squaring on both sides. So x square plus y square is equal to 2x. X square plus y square minus 2x is equal to 0. So center 1 0, radius 1. Center 1 0, radius 1. X minus 1 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square is equal to 1 square. So center 1 0, radius 1. circle center 1 0, radius 1. So we get circle like this, center 1 0, radius 1, this is 2 0, x-axis, y-axis 0. So here x starts from 0, y starts from 0. That represents positive quadrant. So we have to, our required region, dotted region is belongs to positive quadrant, only this one. Using polar coordinates, x is equal to r cos theta, y is equal to r sin theta, dx dy is equal to r dr d theta, x square plus y square is equal to r square. Oh, this is the procedure or formula, what it may be. R limits are r is equal to 0. Take strip like this. Here r is equal to 0. Here r value. What is your circle? Observe here. X square plus y square is equal to 2x. X square margin. X square plus y square is equal to 2x. X square plus y square is r square. 2x is r cos theta. So you r cancel, you get r is equal to 2 cos theta. So on the circle r is equal to 2 cos theta. So r limits are r is equal to 0 comma r is equal to 2 cos theta. Margin. Theta limits are to cover the region, this region, theta 0 to this only, pi by 2. Theta is equal to 0, comma theta is equal to pi by 2. Now above I is equal to, above I becomes, so integral 0 to pi by 2, integral 0 to 2 cos theta, x means r cos theta, by x square plus y square r square, dx dy r dr d theta. So r square cancel, integral 0 to pi by 2, cos theta constant, integral dr is r, 0 to 2 cos theta d theta is equal to 0 to pi by 2 cos theta into 2 cos theta, upper limit minus lower limit. Instead of r you write cos theta minus lower limit 0 d theta is equal to 2 into 0 to pi by 2 cos square theta. Use Euler's Wallis formula, n minus 1, 1 by 2 into pi by 2 is equal to pi by 2. Wallis formula, integral 0 to pi by 2 cos 4 of n theta d theta, integral 0 to pi by 2 sin 4 of n theta d theta is equal to n minus 1 by n into n minus 3 by n minus 2, like that we get 1 by 2 into pi by 2, 1 by 2 into pi by 2. N is even. N minus 1 by n into n minus 3 by n minus 2, so on. 2 by 3 into 1. N is odd. Power n is odd, use this formula. Power n is even, use this formula. For both, use this formula. This is very important formula doing calculations. You need not write cos square theta formula 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2. Of course, this is very useful formula in case of cos 4 of 4 theta, cos 4 of 6 theta, cos 4 of 8 theta, like that. Don't write trigonometry formula. You apply this values formula, we get the answer is very easy.